When you get in your Tacoma shortly after installing the unit, we'll show you how to pair and set up the Apple CarPlay. This unit is going to come with built-in wired and wireless CarPlay as well as Android Auto. We'll show Android Auto in a second video. To switch to the new interface, you're going to long hold the speech button. Here is the underlying operating system on our new interface. As you can see, we have CarPlay and Android Auto. AirPlay is for screen mirroring and AutoLink is screen mirroring on the Android side of things. Here in Bluetooth, you can see the name of your Bluetooth device. Open the Settings app on your phone, look for that new Bluetooth device, click the name. When the pairing code comes up, click Pair, click Allow, and then click Connect to that CarPlay prompt. If that CarPlay prompt does not appear, you may need to do the process again. And click Allow to check for CarPlay apps. And wait while the pairing request loads. Apple CarPlay will then appear.